Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I'm going to show you guys how to make tomato jam or tomato jelly. And it's one of those recipes that people don't really make much anymore. And it was one of those things that Mom and Grandma would make if we had overabundance of tomatoes. If we had enough tomatoes to can whole ones, canned tomato juice, tomato jelly was one of those things that came in afterwards. And it sounds weird, but it's actually really good. It was very citrusy. Mom would always make it with a little bit of lemon peel and a little bit of orange peel, and I'm going to make it the same way. But anyway, I got these tomatoes here out of the garden. I got probably 3.5 pounds here to start with. I'm going to have a little bit of waste because I'm actually going to core these, clean these up, put some boiling water on them so I can peel them. Then we're going to chop them up. We're going to get them in a pot, and we're going to get them cooking a little bit before we add our citrus and our sugar. Then we're going to add our Sure-Jel just like normal, and we're going to get this put into small jelly jars, and then we're going to give it a quick hot water bath. All right, we got our tomatoes cleaned up here and cored. Now we are going to add some boiling water on top of them, leave them sit for a few minutes, and the skins will slip right off. And then we are going to just chop them up a little bit and get them in a pot so they can cook down a little bit. We want about 3 cups of prepared tomatoes when we're done. We've got the skins slipped off the tomatoes here. That hot water for a couple of minutes on those tomatoes will loosen the skins. Then you plunge them in cold water and the skins will just slip right off. And then I sort of quarter them up. And now we're going to put these on the stove here with medium heat, and we're going to start cooking these down a little bit. We want a good 3 cups of cooked down tomatoes to start this. Then we're going to add our lemon juice into this, and we're going to add some orange and lemon zest. All right, guys, I got about 3 cups of cooked down tomato, and we're going to put that in a big saucepan here. And then I am going to add about 1/3 of a cup of combined lemon juice and orange juice, but you want at least probably a good 1/4 cup. And steaming right up on me here. And then I have got about a tablespoon of orange zest and a tablespoon of lemon zest. Get most of that in there. And we'll scrape the rest of it out in a little bit there. And we got 4.5 cups of sugar measured out here. Now I'm going to go get a packet of Sure-Jel, put it into this, and we're going to bring this to a rolling boil, and then we're going to add our sugar into it. Now we're going to add our packet of Sure-Jel, pectin, into our cooked tomato and citrus mixture. We're going to give this a good stir, and then we're going to bring this up to a boil. All right, we got our citrus and tomato mixture here at a full rolling boil. It's still boiling even when we stir it. That's one of the main things when it comes to making jellies and jams. Now we got our 4.5 cups of sugar. We're going to stir this in, and then we are going to bring this back up to a rolling boil, and we're going to boil it for 1 minute exactly, and then we're going to jar this mixture up, and that is going to be our jelly. After we added our sugar, we brought our mixture up to a rolling boil for exactly 1 minute, and then we are filling our jelly jars here. These are 4-ounce jelly jars. We're filling these up so they have about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of headspace. And then we are going to get them into a hot water bath canner for 10 minutes, and then they should be good to go. I wiped the tops of the jars, got the lids on, and now we got them into our hot water bath canner. We're going to bring this up to a boil, let it go for 10 minutes, and we're going to take our little jelly jars out, and then we're going to let everything go until it seals. And here's our 12 jelly jars after a 10-minute hot water bath. We're going to let them set till tomorrow morning, let the jelly set up that's in there, and then we're going to try some out. It is the next morning, And you can see here, we got 12 perfect jelly jars, all perfectly sealed, and we got a little toast here. We're gonna crack one of these guys open and try it out. Popped one open. You can see there it's set up perfectly. Take a little bit of this out. This is very, very citrusy. So if you love marmalade, you will absolutely love this. This is what it looks like. We're gonna give it a taste. You got a little bit of that tomato flavor right at the beginning, and then it goes into the citrus. It's very good. Sweet, but it's still a little bit tangy. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe here. Just another way to use your tomatoes out of the garden. This is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys always get some good information, some entertainment out of my videos. And you guys have a good one.